Hey, what's up, guys? Hey, I'm doing this video because I might have found something that could possibly stop a lot of whining in your speakers. Um, I've always been good when it comes to setting up my grounds and making sure everything is good and testing the grounds and everything, but just having all these wires and everything running, we all tend to still have this whining noise through the alternator. But I've been doing a lot of researching and looking at the noise filters, and that shit don't work. The back of the radio thing don't work. And I found something that actually works. Is this right here? It's an IBNF 30 amp noise filter. And I was looking at YouTube videos, and this is the product right here. So with this, it has three wires. It has a red wire, it has a yellow wire, and it has a black wire. And the red wire, it goes to the power wire of the factory wire harness, which, I mean, for my truck, I have the yellow 12 volt constant, so that red wire goes to that input. The yellow wire on this goes to the power wire from your aftermarket radio. So the yellow wire will go to the yellow wire 12 volt that's on your aftermarket radio. And I bought two of them because I was gonna hook up one to my radio, which I already did already, and I was gonna hook up one to my DSP. But I hooked this one up, and I literally don't hear anything. Like, I mean, it's a little noise, but it's like completely toned out. Now if I rev my truck, it's not, I mean, it's very faint, but it definitely took away a lot of the noise. And I think this extra sound just come from me setting my gains. I wouldn't say set them too high, but my stuff is at max before clipping, so that's probably why I'm getting that feedback. But if I turn my gains down, I'll probably hear no sound out this truck. So I encourage you guys to get this. It's definitely worth it. It's better than the noise filters. So this thing actually filters out the whine coming from the alternator, from that 12 volt signal. And this thing right here, it suppresses that noise. And I just hooked it up, as you all see. Just hooked it up right here, and I got it grounded, and I have yellow wire going to the factory wire on my aftermarket head unit. So if y'all haven't tried this, give this a try, and you will be surprised with the difference that it makes. Because like I said, right now I don't hear anything, and when I turn my truck off, I mean, it's not that loud, and the noise that I hear is probably from my amplifier gains up, and I can turn that down and see what difference it makes. But definitely get this. This is an excellent product, definitely worth the money. And I think it's like $7-8 off of eBay, I think. But check it out, definitely worth the money.